their targets. This also appears to be somewhat self-contradictory, sir, as the first full-fledged budget presented by him also contains unrealistic targets for the receipts and grants allocations and outlays, sir. So the full budget was presented almost 5 months after the vote on account budget was tabled in the House. The CAG provisional account for the year 23-24 financial year indicate that the state total receipts were 2,18,715 crores and the total expenditure was 2,11,854 crores. Honorable panel speaker, sir, Bhatti Saab has quoted revised estimate for 23-24 while presenting the 24-25 full budget. Sir, I may recall that the Union Finance Minister, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, has presented full-fledged Union budget this month while quoting the provisional account for the year 23-24 financial year. However, Bhatti Saab quotes the revised estimate of receipt of rupees, revised estimate, sir, of rupees 2,26,095 crores and expenditure of rupees 2,31,017 crore for the financial year 23-24, which ends on 31st of March. Sir, if I am wrong, I may be corrected, sir. Sir, if we look at the budget estimate of 24-25, the total receipts are estimated at rupees 2,90,815 crores and the total expenditure is expected to be rupees 2,91,059 crores. The budget estimate for the year 24-25 do not represent a big jump over the revised estimate of 23-24, but they are in fact much higher compared to the actual accounts for the year 2023 and 2024. The only comparative figures in the revised estimate for the year 23-24 as per the Finance Minister Saab and the account for the 23-24 as per the CAG relates to the fiscal deficit or total borrowing which are cited as 49,373 crores by Bhatti Saab and rupees 49,589 crore by the CAG. Bhatti Saab ek bolte hain, CAG ek bolta hai, sir. Sir, I may point out, sir, that the previous government has borrowed 38,151 crore during April-November 2023, sir. And in the remaining 4 months of the last financial year from December 23 to March 24, the Congress government has borrowed 11,438 crores. If I am wrong, I may be corrected, sir. Now, between April and July 2024, in the current financial year, the borrowings have reached to 23,680 crores. Incidentally, the Finance Minister says that since coming to power, the Congress government raised 35,118 crores in the last 8 months, sir. ये एक है और वो बोलते हैं एक है, sir. There are many inconsistencies and discrepancies in fact and figures that have crept into the 50-page budget speech of the Finance Minister Saab. So the receipts of the state government in 24-25 have been grossly overestimated. Under revenue receipts, the Finance Minister Saab has shown the state's share in central taxes as rupees 26,216 crores and central grants and aid as rupees 21,636 crore, that is total central transfers of rupees 47,852 crores, sir. So now again, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, however, in 23-24 financial year, the state received only 23,216 crores as share of central taxes and rupees 9,730 crores as grant in aid, totaling to rupees 32,946. Sir, we do not know what is the basis of the Finance Minister Saab enthusiasm and expecting rupees 21,636 crores as grant in aid in the current year. Here he seems to be so enthusiastic. And a day before, we had a discussion and a debate and also a resolution stating that we are not getting our due share. There we discuss and here we show so much of enthusiasm. तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि ये कैसा गैप. And if we see what has been collected last year, और अगर आप देखते हैं जो कमी आ रही है, डेफिसिट आ रही है, उसको कैसा पूरा करेंगे. I may be wrong, sir, but ये गैप कैसा करेंगे, कैसा लाएंगे पता नहीं. शायद वैसा ही लाने वाले हैं जैसा ओल्ड सिटी में अदानी को दे रहे हैं, तो शायद दे आर हेल्पिंग. शायद अदानी. I might be wrong. I might be wrong. Please do not feel offended. But I'm thinking. I mean, मैं समझ रहा हूँ शायद वो भी कलेक्शन शायद अदानी कुछ करके देंगे शायद. I don't know. I hope I'm wrong. Similarly, the finance minister Saab has quoted ambitious targets for state-owned revenue targets for the year 24-25, including rupees 18,229 crores from stamps and registration, rupees 25,617 crores from state, excise rupees 33,449 crores from value-added tax, 8,478 crores from motor vehicle tax, rupees 715 crores from electricity dues, etc., totaling to rupees 86,518 crores. In 23-24, the state realized a receipt of rupees 72,503 crores from all these state taxes, and the state has to realize rupees 14,015 crore from these taxes in the year 2024 and 25. Bhatti Saab has projected non-tax revenues of rupees 35,208 crores in 2024 and 25 as against the actual non-tax receipt of rupees 23,819 crores in the year 23-24. The state has to realize additional rupees 11,389 crores in the current year, and here is the catch, sir. He has targeted to realize rupees 25,000 crores from auction and sale of government lands and plots in 24-25 as against the receipt of rupees 7,000 crores in the year 23-24. How can the government achieve the ambitious target of realizing an additional 16,678 crores from auction and sale of government lands and plots in the current year, especially when the real estate market is facing a downslide, sir? And I hope that, sir, again I might be wrong, ये जमीन के साथ वो दो बेडरूम के जो फ्लैट्स बनाए थे, जो दिए थे, उसमें कुछ पैसे लेके वो भी